Hi everybody, and welcome back to another tutorial of crocheting. In this tutorial we're going to see how to make another edging border. We're going to make this one waves. Is the edging waves. It's not difficult. In order to make this edging, we make a foundation chain of a multiple of 3 plus 3. So for this tutorial I'm going to make 15 chains and 15, and now I'm going to add one more because I'm going to insert the hook into the second from hook chain and make a single crochet, and then in each chain I'm going to make a single crochet. Here it is, and now I'm going to start the edging stitch. For the first stitch, for the first wave stitch, we're going to make 2 chains, and then we are going to skip one, and then we're going to make a double crochet, 2 chains and 2 single crochet in the same stitch, and that's because we want to stand here nice. So only for the first wave stitch we proceed this way. For all the rest of the stitches we're going to work the main stitch, which is skip 2 stitches into the next one, make 2 double crochets, 2 chains, chains, and 2 single crochets all in the same stitch, and that's the wave stitch. Again we repeat till the end, skip 2 stitches, and into the next one make 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 single crochets into the same stitch all. And that's it. As you can see, the wave stitch is ready. Now we're going to continue this way throughout the edge. Skip 2 stitches into the third, into the next one, make 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 single crochets into the same stitch, all into the same stitch. And again, last one, skip 2 stitches into the next, make 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 single crochets into the same stitch all, and that's the end, and the edging by making a slip stitch into the last and that's it. This is the wave stitch. Thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye bye.